Here's how to make Google Chrome the default browser on your Mac. Now, if you are new to Mac and you just want to use Google Chrome instead of Safari, I'll show you how to do that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is go to the very top right and tap on the search icon. And we need to make sure you have Chrome on your Mac. So let's just type in Google Chrome. And it should pop up with the app right here that I have it on my Mac. It should be on your Mac as well. If you don't, of course, have it on there already, just go to Safari and download Google Chrome. After we've done that, we're going to go to the top left and tap on the little Mac icon or Apple icon, and then tap on System Settings. Now, from System Settings, all we need to do is go down, and you can see a bunch of different options here. You can easily just search for what you want because basically it will search within the system settings. So we'll just search for default browser. Oh, I misspelled that, browser. And you can see under desktop and dock, it pops up with default web browser. Now you'll be able to see I'm on that screen, and all I need to do is go up a bit and you can see default web browser. I'm going to switch this from Safari to Google Chrome. And just like that, you have switched it to default as Chrome. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.